Kenya ni magomeirwo ni ihinda iritu kumana na mugomo wa arigitani. Makiria ma madagitari 5,000 na manathi bururi-ini maigite mirothi makienda mishara yao iguithanio kuringana na ngirimiti iria yekirirwo kirore ni thirikari kuri mwaka wa 2013. Ngirimiti-ini ino marigitari makimatha nyongerera ya gicunji kia 300 hari igana.
We don't want to hear of other issues here and there. What we want to hear is CBA paid in arrears.
We, the Kenyan doctors, have decided that is enough. It's enough of mediocrity from government.
Marigitari aya makihita ati matikuregenyuka okinyagia thirikari eigue mateta mao.
Things are going to get hot, and therefore it's up to the government, to resolve this strike, because as we are in this football match, we are already ahead. So the ball is in their court, really, to find a solution, because we can go on enjoying this game, and we are going to escalate.
No kuma giikaro kiratafanitio ni minister wa ugima wa mwiri utuko wa gukia umuthi gia kugeria kurugamia mugomo ucio. Minister uyu arauga mugomo ucio ndwagiriire. Arauga igoti ria gutwithania ngucanio cia kiwira ni riarekereirie itua ati miahu iyo yeri ikare thi ringi na yariririe weru ngirimiti iyo. Igoti riaheanite ihinda ria thiku 90 kwambiriria tariki 3 mweri wa 10 kinyagia tariki 5 mweri wa Januari mwaka ukite.
That process is not complete because the 90 days are not yet over. We initiated discussions with the doctors, with committees to be able to continue with the deliberations, but along the way, the doctors kind of negated on the discussions.
Dialogue has to come to an end, and we have to take action. And the action is doctors in Kenya will remain in strike until the CBA is implemented.
Minister ni athiete na mbere na kuga miario-ini yao na marigitari ni mokire na wiguithanio ati mishara yao no kinya ikirwo kuringana na ngathi ciao cia kiwira ta uria yendekithitio ni kamiti ya kurumbuya mishara ya aruti a wira bururi-ini.
Any engagement we are going to have with the doctors should take into consideration that document, which is a government document, which is recognized both at national level and the county level.
Jokanirio iria iriho gatagati ga thirikari na kiama kia arigitani atire nganja ironania gutire mwena urenda kugua. Thirikari ikiuga igoti ni riatuire miario iheo mweke nakio kiama kia arigitani gikiuga gutire undu megukorwo makiaririria. Na guku ndugamano ino igithie na mbere Wanjiku ndari no ndungitiga gucoka muhuko na kurihira motungata ma urigitani thiini wa thibitari cia andu kiumbe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Monica Kagoni.